Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the mallet video. The video ran a little bit longer than expected, so here this is just me finishing it up. This is the end of the chiseling stage, and then you're gonna see the attachment of the handle, and then after the attachment of the handle we're gonna go ahead and shape it up and make it look all pretty, and then we're gonna go over like how to sell it and stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned and like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out a lot. Thank you guys for clicking on the video and watching, and yeah, let's get to making this mallet. Yeah guys, so watching the video back, I'm realizing that a lot of the video is in hyper speed motion, but it takes a lot of work to make these. It is a little time consuming, but that's why I charge the $90. Yeah, so a lot of this video is going to be hyper speed, but you see the actual process, and I slow it down when I speak, and when I have something to say, that's slowed down a lot. So don't worry guys, it's not just intense like this the entire time. It's just that this is the meat and potatoes of the video. Like I said, this was a really long video. It took 2 parts. So yeah, you're entering the video in the middle of like just the work end of it, and I just want to let it be visual so you can see exactly what it takes. So yeah. And that's where we are right now. We are chiseling this out. And now let's see what this is looking like. So before I put my handle in, I'm going to bevel out. You see how we have a very hard corner, right? I'm going to take my chisel, I'm going to put it at a little angle like this, and I'm just going to notch out, bam, the sides. So that way when I'm putting my block in, it doesn't break my, when I'm putting my handle in, it doesn't break my block that I just worked real hard on. And now, let's see how this mallet head handle fits in there. So we're going to make sure our block is top side up, and then we are going to go with the smaller end in first, and then we are going to knock this guy on in. Let's set this like this. Now from here, we're just going to hit it in. I'm knocking it right there to the 1.5-inch mark, and as time goes and it gets shrink, if we deal with the little shrinkage, we'll go down to the inch mark, but I doubt it'll make it there because it's pretty wide on top. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is your basic mallet right there. So what we're going to do now is shape it and shape our handle and make it pretty, and yeah, that's what we're about to do. Actually, I'm going to go down a little farther. I really beat the hell out of it, but I pushed it down to the 1 inch, and I don't think it's going to go anywhere. And from there, yeah. So now I'm going to mark it. Bam. Bam. And we're at the 1 inch. And now I'm going to beat it back off. Alright. That's what we're looking like on the inside after we're all hollowed out. I think we did a pretty dang good job on it. Now we're about to take this guy over to the sander. Just get it all nice and cleaned up. Get a nice handle on it. And yeah, there's 2 rows. Alright, now the first thing I'm going to work on is the head. I'm going to get all the pencil marks and everything, clean it all up, make it all nice, get some nice beveled edges. That thing's taking a beating already. That's why I guess they used the real hard wood, but that's alright. It's still working just fine. But yeah, I'm going to get some nice edges on that guy. Yep, clean it up nicely. This is what we're looking like. Nice and round. We've got the beveled edges all the way around. Looks nice and clean. No sharp edges, so it's not gonna damage anything. I guess I could round these off a little better. the look they specifically wanted, because you can do these a couple different ways. Some people angle this right here at a 7 degree, which I think I'm going to do that as well. Well, angle it this way on the side at a 7 degree angle, where it's kind of sticking out on a V. And I'm going to do that on the next few, just that way there's more options for people to buy on the Etsy. But this one, they specifically asked it to look like a Thor hammer. So, yeah. Now, we are going to get on the handle. I marked a line at where the bottom of the head is. I marked a line where the bottom of the head is, and then you guys know we got the marks right there for the top. So, yeah. Man, that feels so good on your hands. This just feels absolutely amazing. Put some little finger grooves on that mug, yeah. Okay, I think that's us right there. Now, I can hit it with a little bit of... I think this is us. I like the way she's sitting. I like the way she's looking. It's just a really nice fit all the way around. So, alright. So, this is what we're looking like over here, our finished thing. We got some nice little finger grooves in here. Let me see if I can get it to focus on it. Yeah, you can kind of see it up against the dark of my apron. I got some finger grooves in here, a nice little palm rest in the back. It's sitting very smooth. We know this is our bottom, this is our top. So, yeah, we set this in here like this. And hammer this bad member jammer in. Alright, baby. That's us right there. Alright. That's us right there, baby. Yeah. Alright, guys. So, yeah, that's how it's done. So, thank you for joining me. Making this wooden mallet. And it's been a fun one. This is what it looks like when they're all done. I'm going to take pictures of it like this. And then I'm going to put linseed oil on it. And then when the linseed oil on it, I'm going to take a picture of it like that. And then I'm going to burn it. And then after it's burnt, I'm going to take pictures of it like that. And the 3 different stages, the plain, the linseed oiled up, I could even shellac it and wood stain it. I might do that before I burn it. And all of those different things that I do to it and take those pictures, that's a different mallet on Marketplace on the Etsy. So that's a different product that they had to choose from in your market. So with this one thing we made, we're going to add 4 new things to our market. And I'm going to just make them to order as they're ordered. And this is a solid wood chunk mallet. One solid chunk. It's not those laminate ones that you see where they cut the handle and then they glue the 2 pieces on the side. No, this is one solid chunk, much stronger, going to last much longer, a lifetime. And if we make this out of hardwood, it'll last forever. This is softwood. This is pallet pine, so I mean, but you guys know how to make it now, and you can make it out of whatever you want to. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. The next videos we're going to be making in the future is how to make these wooden crosses that light up, and how I built a garage wood workshop from absolutely nothing. I'm going to go through that all over in its own video, and also we're going to go over how to set up an Etsy page and set up your own market to sell all of your stuff on the market on Etsy. It's really easy, and you only need to make the product one time to know how to do it and take pictures, and then you can stage it, and then I'll teach you about staging your product and marketing it and getting them off. And turning the one project that you made into multiple market options, SKUs for your marketplace by putting them through different levels of like varnish and burns and stains and plain, and so that way they have different options to choose from when they're ordering from your market. So yeah, we'll be going over all of that, so like and subscribe and stay tuned. Peace. Thank you so much for all of the views and the subscribes and the comments. I really appreciate all the feedback. I had no idea I would get any kind of response whatsoever. I thought for sure I would be sitting at 0 views for the entirety of the video. So thank you so much for actually like responding.